Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to create a web browser in Visual Studio 2012 Ultimate. First we're going to create a new project, then we're going to choose Windows Form Application. Then you're going to type in a name for it. We're just going to type in Web Browser 1, because I already created a project called Web Browser. We're going to click OK. We'll hit Enter. We're going to wait for it to load. Now that it's loaded, we're going to give it a second. Okay, now we can resize it to however big we want. I'm just going to make it that because I'm going to dock the stuff so it all fits in nice and even. So first we're going to go ahead and add in a button we're going to type in button in the toolbox. And this button's going to be for back. So for the back button, I usually just hit the less than sign twice. And then I resize the button to where it fits in there, but it's not too big. Then I hit Control C, click Control V, and then I line this other button up with it, and I hit the greater than sign twice. So that's for backwards and forwards. Then, sorry about that. And then I click Control V again, and that pastes the button again, and then we line this up with those. And we type in refresh. Okay, I'm going to make this a bit bigger so it all fits. Okay, then I'm going to click Control V again. And it lines up, and we're going to type in stop on this one. And we're going to make this one big enough to where it all fits. We're going to click Control V one more time. And we're going to go ahead and type in home. And we're going to resize this to where it fits. Then we're going to find the text box that we're going to be using. And we're just going to drag that into here. Get it lined up. You can hit the down arrow keys. I like mine to be pretty much center with my buttons. Hit up, down, left, right to position, or you can use a mouse. But for more precise, I advise using the arrow keys. Then we're going to click Control V one more time since we still have that button copied. And we're going to change the text to go. That'll be our go button to navigate. And then we're going to find a web browser. So we're going to go and drag the web browser in. And we're going to resize it properly. We're going to line it up with the edges here. Edges of the form. Now that we have done that, we're going to go ahead and we're going to click on the web browser. Now first thing we're going to type in is the URL property. We're going to type in google.com, or you can type in whatever URL you want it to open when you first launch the web browser. But for me it's Google. And we're going to not change anything else except for the anchor. We want the anchor to be top, left, right, and bottom. So make sure all four of these right here are dark gray. So, and then for the back button, we want to come back down to anchor here, since I'm already there. We want it to be top left. So just these two are dark gray. And then for this one, we want it to be top left. So just these two are dark gray. And then this one we want top left. This one we want top left. And this one we want top left. This one we want top, left, and right. So it lines up with the right. And then this one we want top, right. So just these two. Once again, this one is top, left, and right. So those three are dark gray. The home is top left. Stop is top left. And refresh is top left. And then these two are top left also. And the browser is all four of them. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and double click on the back button. And you're going to type in web browser 1.go back. Now I have all these codes copied and pasted right into here, or I typed them all out, but I'll put them all in the description right there if that's all you'll need. And now that we have that, I forgot a B here. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and we're going to double click on the forward button. We're going to type in web browser 1.go forward. There's that one. and we're going to click on the refresh button, and we're going to type in web browser 1.refresh. You see how this is pretty simple. It's just exactly what you would think it is. You just have to put web browser 1 dot before it. Now this one is web browser 1 dot stop, and that's for the stop button. And for the home button, now what this code does is it finds the home that you have set for your default browser, finds that home page, and it actually takes you to that when you click this button. So it's web browser 1.go home. And then we want to click the go button, double click that. And what this does is navigates to whatever you have typed in the text box. So you're going to want to type in web browser, not Bowser, browser 1.navigate, and you're going to put parentheses, and then inside the parentheses you're going to type in text box 1.text. Now that's about it for the web browser. Now you're going to go ahead and save all right here, and you're going to click start. And now you see it started up, and we can make it whatever size we want it, and it'll all stay proportional. Now we can even maximize it, and it all looks good. Now you're going to go ahead and type in youtube.com for an example, and you see it already loaded Google for us. And you can click go. Now that we're at youtube.com, you can go ahead and click the back button. And you're there. You click the forward button, you're back to YouTube. You click refresh, and it refreshes. You click stop, and it stops the refreshing. And you click home, and it takes you back to your home page, which I have set as Google. Now thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and have a nice day.